Paano nga ba mag-subtract ng polynomials? Tara't pag-usapan natin yan dito. Manood, makinig, mag-enjoy at matuto. What's up guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is YouMore PH. Andito na naman ang pabibo ninyong guro na punong-puno ng humor and willing to give YouMore. Narito ako para tulungan ka, natulungan ng sarili mong matuto sa pamamagitan ng math pinadali, math pinasaya, at math pina-exciting na mathematics lesson. Now, if you find this video helpful, please wag mong kakalimutan mag-subscribe and also click the notification bell for more videos dito sa ating channel. And please share this to your friends, classmates, parents, teachers, titas, titos, atis, kuyas, who also needs this lesson. Alright? So without further ado, let's get to our discussion. Hi everyone! Welcome sa lesson natin ngayong araw. So for today, we're going to discuss about subtraction of polynomials. Alright? So we're done discussing yung addition of polynomials. If you want to know the details of that, so please watch my video about it. Addition of polynomials yung title. Or, if ever na nahirapan ka maghanap, dito sa may upper right, ilalagay ko na lang yung link. Click that first para madirect kayo dun sa topic na yan. Alright? So let's have subtraction of polynomials today. Okay. So si subtraction sa kasi addition, ang pinakailangan mo lang na idea ay like terms. So dapat alam mo kung paano tumingin ng like terms. So that's why, uulitin ko lang ito. Ginawa na rin natin ito sa addition. Ayan. So we're going to know muna like terms. Ano nga bang ibig sabihin ng like terms? Kapag sinabing like terms, ito yung mga terms. These are terms whose variables, yung mga variables saka yung exponent dapat ay parehong-pareho. Are the same. Just like the following examples. Ito. Again, ang titignan mo lang is variable tapos exponent. Don't bother looking at the coefficients. Ito lang. Variable sa exponent. Dapat itong mga variable, kapareho ng variable dun sa kabila para masabi siyang like terms. So, ayan. Ito. Since x lang to, x lang yung kabila, pareho silang x. Ibig sabihin, itong 2x tapos 5x, like terms ang tawag sa kanila. Right? Same as this one. Ito ay y squared. Y squared din yung kabila. So, kaya tinatawag silang like terms kasi pareho siya ng variable at pareho sila ng exponent. Okay? If ever na maging x ito, naging x squared yan, tapos yun ay y squared, kahit ito pareho sila na squared, hindi yan considered as like terms. Kasi kapag sinabing like terms, kung ano yung variable dito, yun din dapat ang variable sa kabila. Alright? So, yun ang idea ng like terms. Again, kailangan master mo ang like terms. Sa unang tingin mo pa lang sa problem, dapat alam mo na agad kung ano yung pagsasama-samahin, ano yung pagtatabi-tabihin. Yun ay yung mga terms na like terms, ang nature. Okay? Another. Ito naman. Negative 6ab squared and 5ab squared. So, check mo kung may a yung kabila. Yes, may a din. May b squared ba yung kabila? May b squared din. So, parehong-pareho bang ab squared yung kabila? Yes. Kung pareho sila, ibig sabihin like terms ang tawag dito. Okay? Last one, ito. So, check natin, double check natin. Baka mamaya baliktad lang yung exponent. Mali na yun. Hindi na yun like terms. May x squared ba yung kabila? May x squared. May y ba yung kabila? May y. Alright. So, kung parehong-pareho yung variable at exponent nila, ang tawag dyan ay like terms. Ayan. So, ito yung tinatawag nating like terms. Again, ito yung mga terms na ang variable tapos exponent ay parehong-pareho. Walang labis, walang kulang. Magkamukhang magkamukha. Okay? So, practice that. If you have a book, then hanapin nyo kung ano yung mga like terms. Familiarize kung paano tumingin ng like terms. Kasi that's very important sa addition sa subtraction. Bakit? Kasi, sabi ko nga, very similar lang si subtraction sa si addition. Pareho lang sila ng rule. Alright, so later we'll go on to that. So which of the following are like terms? So we've done this dun sa addition. So let's see kung alam natin kung paano tumingin. Ayan, so this one is like terms. 22c and 11c. Bakit? Kasi pareho silang may c. Tapos yung exponent ng c ay parehong 1. Diba? Kapag hindi nakasulat yung exponent, that means 1 yun. Okay? Next, ito naman. Negative 2m saka 9n. So, ito ay m, ito ay n. Obviously, hindi ito like terms. Next, ito naman. 100xy and negative 15yz. May x dito, may x ba doon? Diyan pa lang, wala na. Ibig sabihin, hindi sila pareho. This is not like terms. What about this one? ABC and 10ABC. May A ba yung kabila? Yes. May B ba yung kabila? Yes. May C ba yung kabila? Yes. Parehong-pareho ba yung ABC? Yes. So, therefore, ito ay considered as like terms. What about this one? 6x squared z and 25x squared z. Alright, again, tingin lang sa variable. May x squared ba yung kabila? Yes po. May z ba yung kabila? Yes po. Parehong-pareho ba? Yes. Kung parehong-pareho sila ng variable at exponent, ito ay tinatawag na like terms. Then this one, 10x squared y z squared and negative 7x squared y squared z squared. May x squared ba yung kabila? Yes. May z squared ba yung kabila? Yes. May y ba yung kabila? Parehong meron. Pero bakit ito hindi makakonsider na like terms? Alright, very good. Kasi ito po ay naka-raise sa 1, yung isa ay naka-raise sa 2. So, dapat parehong-pareho sila para matawag siyang like terms. So, therefore, ito ay hindi like terms. So, tatlo lang yung like terms dito. Parehong may C, parehong may ABC, parehong may x squared z, x squared z. Alright, so ganun po ang pagtingin ng like terms. Be careful, kasi hindi yan pwedeng magsama-sama hanggang hindi sila like terms. Right. So, as I mentioned a while ago, may kaisa-isang condition lang or rule si subtraction, saka kapareho niya si addition, ang gusto niya lang na pagsamahin ay like terms. So, ang pwede mo lang isubtract ay yung mga like terms. Kaya I emphasize talaga kung paano tumingin ng like terms para alam nyo agad kung ano yung pwedeng magsama-sama, ano yung mga hindi talaga pwedeng masubtract kahit anong tumbling natin. Hindi sila pwedeng pagsamahin kasi hindi sila like terms. Yan lang ang kaisa-isang rule, huwag po nating kakalimutan. Alright? Again, add and subtract. Ang tandaan nyo lang, pwede kang mag-add or mag-subtract once na like terms ang given. Right? So, let's check the following polynomial dito. 6x minus 2x. So, let's see. Ito kaya, like terms ba yung dalawa? I-check lang natin kung pwede ba silang pagsamahin, pwede ba silang i-subtract or hindi. So, ito ay x tapos x. Parehong-pareho ba yung variable sa ka-exponent? Yes. So, therefore, pwede mong i-subtract itong dalawa. Pwede yung pagsamahin through subtraction. Next. 9xz minus 19xz. Alright? May x ba yung kabila? Yes. May z ba yung kabila? Yes. So, since parehong-pareho sila, ibig sabihin pwede mong i-combine yan kasi like terms sila. So, pwede mong gawin yung subtraction dito. Right? So, pwede mo siyang isolve kasi like terms sila. Next. 23x squared y minus 30xy squared. Double check. Parehong may x, parehong may y. Tama naman. Pero tignan natin yung exponent nila. Ito naka-squared, ito naka-raise sa 1. So, magkaiba na agad. Ito naka-raise sa 1, ito naka-raise sa 2. So, baliktaran, kahit pa yan baliktaran lang, hindi yan like terms. So, ibig sabihin hindi ito pwedeng magsama. Pero may ginagawa naman dyan kung paano siya mag-subtract. So, I'm going to show you later kung paano magdi-deal doon sa hindi like terms. Actually, napakadali nga yan kapag hindi yan like terms. Next. Negative 39x squared yz minus 41x squared z. Parehong may x squared, parehong may z, kaya lang kulang ng y. Tama? Walang y yung kabila. So, pag may kulang na or hindi na pareho, hindi yan like terms. So, ibig sabihin, eto lang dalawa ang pasok sa condition ni subtraction, so sila lang yung pwede mong i-combine. Pero ito, hindi yan pwede. Okay? So, sige. Let's go on with our discussion. So, let's subtract polynomials already. Let's have 6x minus 2x. So again, bago ka gumalaw-galaw ng mga bagay-bagay dyan, you have to always check kung like terms ba sila. Kasi yun lang ang condition para makapag-subtract tayo. Right? So check muna natin kung like terms. Ito ay x, ito ay x. Parehong-pareho ba na x yung dalawa? Yes. So ibig sabihin, like terms ba? Yes. So kung like terms yan, pwede mo siyang sagutan. Alright, pwede mo siyang i-combine. Alright. So dito, just like addition, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano ko ginagawa horizontally saka vertically. But I prefer to always solve polynomials vertically. Alright. Pero nasa sa inyo yun. So I'll show you yung dalawang way ng pagsosolve. So gawin natin yung horizontal muna. So copy natin. 6x minus 2x. Alright. So dito, same as addition, kinokopya lang natin yung variable. Kung ano yung like term nila, kokopyahin mo lang. Kung x yan, x yun. Kung y yan, y yun. Kung xy ito, xy dapat yung nasa final answer. Ganun siya. Hindi mo siya babaguhin. Alright? Tapos, dito naman, 6 minus 2 lang. Ima-minus mo lang yung 6 saka yung 2. Just like how you subtract integers. Alright? What is 6 minus 2? That's 4. Ayan. So, therefore, ang sagot ay 4x. Okay? And dito din sa topic natin sa subtraction, same as addition, pareho lang to ng pagsosolve ng integers. So, kailangan master nyo pa rin yung subtraction of integers kasi gagawin natin yan dito para makapagsagot ng polynomials. Right. Ang dagdag lang naman dito, kinokopya natin yung like terms, yung variable sa kanyang exponent. Pero hindi siya nababago, walang ina-add, walang kahit anong ginagawa, kinokopya lang. Right? So, let me do the vertical. Alright, so 6x minus 2x. I prefer always to solve like this. Ayan. Pero nasa sa inyo yan kung anong mas gusto ninyong way ng pagsosolve. Eto, kinokopya lang. 6 minus 2 is 4. Same lang din naman. Mag-horizontal ka or vertical, same pa rin naman ang sagot. Alright, yun naman ang mahalaga. Alright, let's have letter B. 9xz minus 19xz. So, check muna kung like terms bago natin pagsamahin. Kasi, common mistake talaga sa pagsosolve na pagsasama-sama natin kahit hindi naman talaga pwedeng pagsamahin. Right? So, double check muna kung like terms. May x ba yung kabila? Yes. May z ba yung kabila? Yes. Parehong-pareho ba? Yes. Like terms ba? Yes. So, proceed tayo sa pagsosolve. So, let me do the horizontal solving. 9xz minus 19xz. Right. So, anong gagawin natin dito sa xz? Kinokopya lang. Very good. Now, what is 9 minus 19? Gantuhin mo na lang siya. 9 minus 19. Alright. Diba? Sa subtraction, ang ginagawa natin dyan, right? Ganto. Yung 9, ginagamitan natin ito ng keep, change, and change. So, let me write it here. 9 minus 19. Ganito ko siya ginagawa. So, pinapagitna ko muna yung subtraction na operation. Then, nilalagyan ko siya ng K, C, and C. Sorry, this is C. Okay? K, C, and C. So, keep, yung 9, ikikeep mo lang. Yung minus, sabi daw i-change. So, magiging siyang plus. Kung minus yan, magiging plus yon. At naman, change then, change the sign. Kung ito ay positive, magiging siyang negative dito. Alright. So, si subtraction, kailangan mo siyang ibalik muna sa addition. Then, you have to use yung rule ng addition of integers. So, since naka-plus na yan, tapos opposite yung dalawa, yung isa ay negative, yung isa ay positive, pinagma-minus natin. Tama? Regardless of the sign. 19 minus 9, the answer is 10. Pero kinokopy natin yung sign ng larger number. And that is negative. So, kaya, ang sagot dito ay negative 10xz. Ayan. So, again, tandaan nyo pa din yung subtract ng integers sa kapag-add ng integers kasi hindi kayo iiwanan noon. So, lagi niyang kasama kapag nagsosolve tayo. Kahit pa higher math yan, kailangan nyo talaga ng integers kung paano magdi-deal, magpa-plus, magma-minus, magma-multiply, magdi-divide. So, just like here, polynomial na ito pero we are doing still the rule of integers. So, kailangan yung mastery natin ng topic na yun. Alright. So, that's it. Kung may ibang version kayong alam, baka ang turo ni teacher ay KFC or KCF, pareho lang naman yung process. So, I prefer to call it KCC, keep, change, and change. Yan. Pero kung iba yung tawag, same lang naman yung ginagawa, it doesn't matter. Diba? So, basta alam mo kung paano ginagawa, hindi yung tawag. Alright? Sige. So, let me do the vertical naman. 9xz minus 19xz. So, yung xz dyan, kinokopya lang. Tapos, 9 minus 19, diba? That's negative 10. Final answer is negative 10xz. Ayan. So, ganun lang. Ganun lang mag-subtract ng polynomials. Now, paano naman kaya ito? So, again, bago kayong mag-minus ng bigla, magmadali, you have to double check muna kung like terms yan. Again, double check muna kung like terms yan. So, let's see. Sa letter C, kung like terms ba siya. X squared ito, yung isa ay x lang. Y ito, yung isa ay y squared. Now, obviously, hindi sila parehong-pareho ng variable at ng exponent. So, ibig sabihin, hindi to like terms. So, hindi yan pwedeng magsama. Tama? Sir, paano po yan kung hindi siya pwedeng magsama? Ayan, madali lang ito, don't worry. Actually, ito nga yung pinakamadali. Kapag hindi sila like terms, kinokopya lang yan. Tapos yun na yung sagot. As simple as that. Diba? Walang kahirap-hirap. Ayan. Final answer na to. Alright? Kung ano yung given sa inyo, yun na yung sagot. Kasi hindi mo siya pwedeng pagsama. Hindi natin pwedeng ipilit yung mga bagay-bagay. Kung hindi pwede, hindi talaga pwede. Alright? Wag nating ipilit yung hindi na talaga pwede. Anyway. Sige, subtraction tayo. Hindi tayo love life o kung ano man. So, let's proceed. Again, uulitin ko, once na hindi siya like terms, kinokopya lang yan. As is lang siya. Hindi yan ginagalaw. Kasi hindi yan pwedeng magsama. Alright? Let's move to letter D. Ito. Negative 50xy minus negative 100xy. Sige, let's check muna kung like terms. X, X, Y, Y. Alright, so let's do the horizontal muna. Tapos mamaya ko ipapakita yung vertical. Negative 50xy minus negative 100xy. Alright, kapag may dalawa ng operation or dalawa ng sign, so sineseparate siya in terms of parentheses. Kaya ito, may minus dyan, tapos negative doon, naka-parentheses ito. Alright? Now, diba? Ang gagawin dito, yung xy, relax lang yan dyan. Tama ba? Hindi yan mababago. Pero ito ang isa-solve natin. So, pwede mong ibaba yung negative 50 minus negative 100. So, let's do the KCC. Again, ang ginagawa ko dito, ganyan. Ginigitna ko muna yung minus. Doon nilalagay ko yung K, C, and C. Right? So, keep. Ibig sabihin ng keep, kopyahin lang. K or kopya or keep. C, yung minus magiging plus. Change, yung kung positive ito magiging siyang, kung negative ito magiging siyang positive dito. So, ito na ngayon yung panibago natin isosolve, naka-plus na siya. Ayan. So, negative 50 plus 100, kapag magpa-plus tayo ng opposite, mina-minus natin. Alright? 100 minus 50, the answer is 50. Pero anong sign? Is it positive or negative? You have to decide. So, since ito yung may higher absolute value, siya yung masusunod sa sign. Compared kasi dito, mas mataas yung 100, diba, sa absolute value. So, this will become positive 50. So, the answer here is 50xy. That is now the final answer. Ayan. So, again, kailangan i-recall ninyo yung integers. Actually, I have lessons about integers. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So, if you want to watch those, so you may visit my YouTube channel. So, andun lahat ng pagsasolve ng integers. Ayan. Para marami pa kayong example ng pagsasolve ng ganyan. Alright. So, ganda naman ang vertical. So, negative 50xy. Tapos, minus, ito yon yung minus dyan. Naka-parenthesis pa rin ito. negative 100xy. So, dito lang naman sa vertical, kailangan lang naka-align yung like terms. So, xy, kopya lang. Tapos, ang ginagawa dito, so, mas okay ito kasi, ang gagawin mo lang dito, keep, change, change. Alright? So, magbabago yung minus magiging plus, yung sign nito magbabago din. Kaya, naging na siyang negative 50 plus 100, which is positive 50, nung sinolve natin dito. Tama? So, same answer pa din. So, it's your choice kung mag-horizontal ka or vertical. Pero sabi ko nga, I prefer doing it vertically. Lalo na kapag maramihan na, kapag polynomial by polynomial ang sinosolve natin yung maramihan. Alright? But it's your choice. Kung saan kayo mas comfortable, kung comfortable kayo dito, then do this. Kung comfortable kayo dito, then you may have to choose this one. Okay? Next, let's have letter E. Ayan. So, ito yung sinasabi ko kanina. Yung isa kasi, monomial lang yung nasa nandito. Kapag tatlo na, hindi mo basta-bastang pwedeng tanggalin yan. Alright? So, i-check natin kung may mga like terms ba. Eto, may kapareho siya doon. Alright? Yung x, may kapareho siya doon. Eto, like terms din ang tawag dito. Kapag parehong constant, like terms din ang tawag sa kanya. Right? Okay. Now, ito yung two ways, horizontal saka vertical. Let me copy it first. Alright, minus x plus 8 minus 6x squared plus 3x minus 2. Alright, sa plus, kung marirecall ninyo, kung napanood nyo yung addition, bali wala lang yung yung parentheses. Kung plus yan dyan, tatanggalin mo lang dito sa next step. Pero ang subtraction hindi. Bakit? Kasi ang nakasubtract po yung buo. Yung buong nasa loob. And ang common mistake dyan, basta na lang tinatanggal yung parentheses, which is incorrect. Again, that is incorrect. Ang mina-minus natin, hindi lang yung x squared, yung buong nasa loob na polynomial. So, ganito ang mangyayari dyan. Distributive property. So, yung negative, ita-times mo dito, ita-times ko doon, ita-times ko doon. Alright, so dito kailangan mo rin yung rule ng multiplication. Kapag same sign, positive. Kapag different sign, negative. Tama? So, let's do that. So, eto, tanggalin mo na sa parentheses kasi wala namang negative dyan. It's 14x squared minus x plus 8. Eto, negative 1 yan. Negative 1 times 6. Right? Negative times 6, that is negative 6x squared. Negative times positive 3x, that is negative 3x. Negative times negative 2, that is positive 2. Again, rule ng multiply. Kapag magkaiba, just like this one, negative times positive, the answer would become negative. Negative times positive, the answer would become negative. While in the last case, negative times negative, once na pareho yung sign, ang magiging result ay positive. Okay? So, dapat tandaan natin yon, yung rule ng multiplying integers. Ayan. So, dinistribute lang natin isa-isa sa kada term sa loob. Ayan. Kapag plus, it wouldn't matter. It wouldn't matter. Okay lang yon na tanggalin mo lang bigla yung parentheses. Pero kapag dito, be careful. Kapag subtraction, ito yung kakaiba sa kanya. You have to distribute yung negative sa loob. Okay? Kung may negative din ito, i-distribute mo rin siya sa loob. Pero since wala naman, tinanggal lang natin siya freely. 'Di ba? Walang ibang ginawa dito sa unahan. Pero ito, make sure i-distribute mo yung negative sa loob. Because ang ibig sabihin ng minus nito, minus itong lahat. Hindi lang yung x squared, 6x squared. Okay? Now, ang sunod pa dito, kapag horizontal, pagtatabi-tabihin natin yung like terms. It's like this one. So, yung 14x squared, ang like terms niya ay negative 6x squared. Again, that's negative. Kung ano yung operation niya, isasama mo. Negative 6x squared. Next, may negative x dito. Kopyahin mo yung minus x. Itatabi mo yung like terms kung may like terms man. In this case, meron siya. So, negative 3x. Ito ay plus 8. So, copyhin mo yung plus 8. Ito ang ka-like terms niya. Tama? Plus 2. Okay. Now, so ang mangyayari dito, eto, ipagmaminus natin, eto din, eto naging plus na, so plus natin yan. Alright. So, eto muna. So, let's work on, pwede mo siyang i-plus diretso, kung kaya mo na siya, just like this one. Sige, gawin natin yung diretso muna. Diba, magiging x squared yan. Tapos, 14 minus 6, ilan yun? 8. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, ang result dito, that's 8x squared. Tapos, ito namang dalawa, of course, may x na matitira. Kasi siya yung like terms. Negative 1, ayan, ito ay 1. Kapag walang nakalagay, that's 1. So, negative 1 minus 3, the answer is what? That's negative 4. Tama? Then, 8 plus 2, positive 8 plus 2, the answer is 10. Ayan. And this is now the final answer. I-check mo din kung descending order ba yung polynomial. Squared, raised to 1, tas wala. So, dapat pinakamataas na exponent ang mauuna, tas pababa yung exponent natin. Ayan. So, ito ay tama na. Na kung nahihirapan kang magdiretso, pwede naman siyang i-chop-chop. Kunwari, ito. Solve mo muna siya separately. X squared minus 6x squared. Diba? Magiging siyang x squared. Okay? Alright. Ito naman. Negative x or negative 1x, kung dyan ka comfortable, minus 3x. Copyin ko si x, tapos subtract ko yung dalawa. Negative 1 minus 3, that's negative 4. Okay? Ayan, so baka nalilito dito kung paano siya ginawa. Negative 1 minus 3. Gigitna mo siya. This is K, C, and C. Keep, change, change. So, kapag nag-plus tayo ng same sign, di ba? That's normal addition, 4, pero kakopyahin mo yung sign. Kaya siya naging negative 4x. Next, yung 8 saka yung 2, that's 8 plus 2. Bakit 8 lang yan? Positive yan doon, so no need to write plus there. Alright? 8 plus 2, the answer is 10. Tapos kung ano itong mga nakuha mo, kapag samasamahin mo lang, ayan. Sorry, ito pala ay 8. Alright. 14 minus 6, the answer is 8. Nakalimutan natin. So, x squared, tapos ito ay 14 minus 6, that is 8. Ayan. Kung kaya mo na naman siyang i-subtract without using this one, then no need naman to do the KCC. Just like this one, 14 minus 6 kasi madali naman siyang i-minus, kaya hindi na natin ginawa yung KCC. So 8 yan. So pag sama-samahin mo lang itong tatlo, una ito, first term, second term, third term. Bakit first term? Siya may pinakamataas na exponent, followed by this 1, naka-raise sa 1, ito ay walang variable. So magiging siyang 8x squared. Ano magiging operation dito? Since nakita mong negative yung sagot, magiging minus 4x yan. Ito naman, nakita mong positive, magiging plus 10 yan. Ayan. So, ganun pa din. Again, kung saan ka comfortable. Alright? Kung comfortable ka na idiretso siyang i-subtract or i-solve horizontally, then kayang-kaya mo na ito. Ito ay para sa mga advanced na. So, kung nag-start ka pa lang, pwede mong hiwa-hiwalayin. Okay? Pero, syempre, kapag tumatagal na, kailangan ganito na kayong mag-solve. Dapat alam niyo na yung diretsyong solving, na hindi na siya china-chop-chop. Pero since nag-start pa lang, so you may, okay lang yan. Start tayo dito sa hiwa-hiwalay. Alright, so let us do naman yung vertical na solve. So I prefer to solve this in this manner. 14x squared minus x plus 8 minus 6x squared plus 3x minus 2. Ang kagandahan kasi dito, hindi ko na siya kailangang i-arrange pa. Diba? Hindi ko na siya kailangang i-rearrange. Kasi ipinagtatapat-tapat lang natin yung mga like terms. Okay? Tapos, ang kakaiba lang dito, of course, kasi subtraction yan. So, alam natin yung rule na KCC. So, gagawin natin muna yan bago tayo mag-proceed sa pag-solve. So, magiging ganito muna siya. I-keep natin yung taas, minus x plus 8. Yung minus magiging plus. Tapos lahat ng sign dito magbabago. So, ipaparenthesis ko yan para ma-separate yung negative. This is negative 6x squared. Again, lahat ng sign magbabago. Then, yung 3x na positive, magiging siyang negative dito. Okay? Yung negative 2, magiging siyang positive dito. Again, yung ginawa dito ay keep, change, and change. Okay? Keep lang ito, yung taas, kinip lang natin. Ito ay change natin into addition, and change din natin ito into opposite sign. That is, keep, change, and change din. Right? Keep, kinopya lang natin, wala kang babaguhin dyan. Ito ay naka-plus na kasi change natin. Then, change mo rin all the signs ng ating subtrahend. Ayan, so, positive naging negative, positive naging negative, negative naging positive. Ayan. Alright? Tapos, saka tayo magpa-plus. Ayan, kapag plus na yan, so, we're going to adopt yung pagpa-plus ng integers. So, x squared, copyhin mo na yung x squared kasi hindi yan mababago, hindi yan makagalaw. 14 plus negative 6, that is 8. Tama ba? Kapag magka-opposite, mina-minus natin 14 minus 6, the answer is 8. Kaso, ang sign niya ay positive kasi dun ang sign ng 14, yung higher number. Next, ito ay negative 4x. Kopyahin mo lang yung x. Negative 1 plus negative 3. Since pareho sila ng sign, ipa-plus natin. Kaya siya 4 negative. Kasi yun yung sign ng dalawa. 8 plus 2, the answer is positive 10. This is now the final answer. Ayan. So, ganun naman ginagawa ang vertical. Tandaan nyo lang yung process, yung K, C, and C. Alright, so let's have another. Ayan, paano itong naka-vertical na? Alright, so sige, gawin na natin vertical, syempre, kasi naka-vertical na siya eh. Ayan. So, 16x raised to 4 minus 3x cubed minus x minus 1 minus 20x raised to 4 minus 3x cubed minus 52. Paano yan isa-solve? So, again, so kapag minus tapos naka-vertical, gawin natin yung KCC. Ikikip mo lang ito. So, ibig sabihin dito, kokopyahin ko lang yung 16x raised to 4. Sorry, this is 4. Alright. Minus 3x cubed minus x minus 1. Tapos, ito ay i-change ko. Diba? Change yung minus, magiging siyang plus. So, lagay mo dyan, plus. Tapos, yung buong ito din i-change natin. Tama ba? Ibig sabihin nun, magiging negative ito. Ito ay, since negative ito, magiging siyang plus. Since negative ito, magiging siyang plus. Then, copyhin natin yan dito lahat. So, we have negative 20x raised to 4 plus 3x cubed tapos plus 52. Alright? So, anong napansin natin? Sir, bakit po nilagpasan yung x? Bakit po wala siyang katapat? Simply because, hindi siya like terms nitong 52. Tama ba? Kasi ang magkakatapat dapat yung like terms lang. So, ito, x raised to 4, katapat niya yung negative x raised to 4. Ito naman, negative 3x cubed, katapat niya yung may x cubed. Since yung ilalim natin ay walang may x, walang may variable x, so ibig sabihin, hindi ko siya pwedeng itapat dito. Tama? So, pwede yan. Pwedeng may blanco dito. Tapos, itatapat natin yung 52 dito sa like terms niya, which is negative 1. Alright? So, pwede po yun. So, if ever na wala talaga siyang like terms, so, ang gagawin mo dyan, hindi mo siya pwedeng itapat doon sa walang kapareho. Okay? So, in this case, yung 52 kasi, kapareho niya yung negative 1, ibig sabihin, sila yung magkatapat na dalawa. Right? Tapos, pwede na tayo mag-solve. Yung x raised to 4, hindi naman yan nababago. 16 minus 20, 16 plus negative 20, ima-minus natin kasi opposite sign. Tapos, obviously, negative dapat yung sign. 20 minus 16, the answer is 4. Bakit negative? Kasi ito yung may higher absolute value. Next, negative 3 plus 3, the answer is 0. Tama, 0x cubed. Tapos, ito, sir, yung walang like terms, anong gagawin? Huwag kang mag-alala dyan. Bring down mo lang. Negative 1 plus 52. So, since opposite na naman yung sign ng dalawa, i-minus natin. 52 minus 1, the answer is 51. Alright? Pero, yung operation dito magdedepende sa sign ng sagot natin. So, since higher value or higher absolute value ay 52, so naka-plus ito. Okay? Now, sir, final answer na po ba yan? Hindi pa. Ganito po kasi. Once na mag-0 na siya, pwede mo na siyang tanggalin. At yung 0x cubed, tanggal na yan. Alright? Magiging siyang negative 4x raised to 4 minus x plus 51. And this is now the final answer. Ayan. So, ganun lang. Ganun ang sa subtract. Again, ito, once na mag-0 na yung naging sagot mo sa pagma-minus or pagpa-plus, automatic tanggalin mo na yung buong term. Kasi that would mean 0 na yan. Okay? Di ba ang 0 times x cubed, 0 na din naman yan. Kaya siya tinatanggal. So, this is now the final answer. Okay? So, that's it. That's how you deal kapag naka-vertical yung given sa atin. Okay, so let's have our YouMore drill. So, I'll give you 3 items to answer. Ayan, so take your time. Alright? So, I'll pause for a while now and I'll get back to you to give the answer. But if you still need time, feel free to pause the video. Your timer starts now. Alright, time's up. So, if ever hindi ka pa tapos, feel free, i-pause mo muna, tapos tuloy ka lang sa pagsasolve. Alright? So, for those who are done already, so let's check this one. Let's have letter A. 19a squared b minus 7ab minus yung buong ito. 5a squared plus 17ab. So, let me do this vertically. I mean, horizontally muna. Alright? So, copyhin ko muna. Minus 7ab. Tapos, minus yon 5a squared b plus 17ab. Okay? Unlike addition, tinatanggalan yan bigla. Pero sa subtraction, dinidistribute natin ito sa kada term sa loob. Tandaan nyo yung mabuti. Lagi mong gagawin yan. Alright? Tapos, copyhin natin ito. Tanggalin mo na sa parentheses. Minus 7ab. Eto, free mo siyang tatanggalin kasi wala naman siyang operation dito. Alright? So, since minus ito, dinistribute natin, mag-change ng sign lahat ng nasa loob. Magiging siyang negative 5a squared b plus negative 17ab. Ayan. Sir, paano po yan? Hindi na naman magkakadikit yung like terms. Hindi siya problema. Pag didikit-dikitin lang natin, pag lalapit-lapitin natin sila, i-rearrange natin. So, 19a squared b. At ang katabi niya dapat, tama ba? Kasi like terms yung dalawa. Negative 5a squared b. At naman, sulat natin, negative 7ab. Ito rin ang ka-like terms niya. So, negative 17ab. Ayan. So, kung master mo na to, kaya mo tong gawin. A squared b. 19 minus 5, the answer is 14. Tama? Tapos, ab. Kasi ang pwede mo tong pagsamahin. Negative 7 minus 17, the answer is negative 24. And this is now the final answer. Now, for those beginners, sir, medyo mahirap po sa amin na idiretso siya. Ano, i-chop-chop natin. Yung like terms dun sa mga like terms. Okay. Magiging ganito siya. 19a squared b minus 5a squared b. So, the answer would be a squared b. 19 minus 5, the answer is 14. Tama? Next, ito naman. Make sure lang nakasama itong negative. Negative 7ab minus 17ab. At ayan. So, copyin mo yung ab. Tapos, negative 7, ganito yun. Minus 17. That is k, c, and c. This is negative 7. Keep, change, and change. Alright? So, yung negative 7, ipagpa-plus natin sa negative 17 kasi same sign sila. So, kaya siya negative 24. 24 ang sum. Negative kasi negative siya galing. So, that's negative 24 AB. Tapos, pagdikitin mo lang itong dalawa. 14A squared B minus 24ab. Same lang naman ang sagot. Alright. So, kung ganun siya, kung nahihiwalay mo siya, okay lang din yan. Okay? Now, let's have the vertical naman. Paano yan gagawin vertically? We have 19a squared b. Alright? Hulay natin. Minus 7ab. Tapos yung minus, operation siya ng buong ito. 5a squared b plus 17ab. Again, mas prefer ko ito kasi nakatapat na agad. No need to rearrange. Ayan. Pero, magki-KCC ka. Keep, change, and change. Okay? So, keep natin yung minuend. Minuend ang tawag dito sa itaas. Then, i-change natin ito into addition. I-change mo to lahat. Ito ay magiging negative, ito ay magiging negative din. Magiging siyang, parenthesis natin kasi dalawa na yung operation, dalawa na yung sign. Negative 5a squared b is negative 17ab. Negative ito. Okay? Plus na natin. 19 plus negative 5, that is 14. Ima-minus natin kasi opposite. Tapos ito ang magbawagi sa sign. A squared b. Negative 7 plus negative 17, that's negative 24. Ipa-plus mo itong dalawa, then copy the sign. That's AB. Okay? And this is now the final answer. Ganun naman siya gawin vertically. Congratulations kung nakuha mo yan. Ayan, very good. So, alam na natin kung paano mag-subtract. Let's have letter B. Ito, same process. Pwede kang mag-horizontal, pwede kang mag-vertical. So, let's do the vertical muna. Pero make sure ha, ang sagot natin ay in terms of descending order. Okay? So, i-arrange natin kapag hindi siya naka-descending. So, copyhin ko muna negative 15x squared plus 7x plus 16 minus 18x cubed minus 15x squared minus 25. Ito, ilalabas ko lang ito. Alright? Plus 16. Wala naman kasing negative doon. Hindi ko na siya kailangan i-distribute. Ito, i-distribute natin kasi may negative sa unahan or may minus sa unahan. Ang ibig sabihin lang nito, i-change mo yung sign ng nasa loob. Positive magiging negative 18x cubed. Negative magiging positive 15x squared. Negative magiging positive 25. Ayan. Tapos, pagtabi-tabihin yung like terms, unahin natin ito. Negative 15x squared, ito yung like terms niya, plus 15x squared. 7x plus 7x. May like terms ba? Sir, wala. Don't worry. Diyan lang yan. Next, 16. Plus 16. May like terms ba? Meron po. Ayan, plus 25. Negative 18x cubed. Sulat mo lang. Ayan. Mamaya natin i-arrange kapag final answer na. Ayan. Negative 15x squared plus 15x squared, the answer is 0. Tama? 0 yan. 0x squared. Sige, sulat pa natin. Mamaya natin i-cancel. Alright? Yung 7x, wala namang like term, so copy mo lang. 15 plus 25, the answer is 41. Tapos copyhin ko lang din ito. Tama? Negative 18x cubed. Saan ko na ito i-eliminate? So, wala na yan. Kasi 0 na siya. Again, pag nag-0 na, i-cancel mo na siya. Bakit siya naging 0? Negative 15 plus 15. Ima-minus mo ito kasi opposite. 15 minus 15 is 0. Arrange natin. Mauuna yung may x cubed, 18x cubed, followed by ito, kasi siya yung may next na variable. Ito ay wala, so siya yung dulo. And this is now the final answer. Ayan, ganyan lang. Next. Sa mga gumawa ng vertical, let me show you. Negative 15x squared plus 7x plus 16. So, magiging siyang minus 18x cubed. Alright. Sige nga. Saan niya isinulat yung 18x cubed? Alright. So, hindi mo siya itatapat sa kahit alin dyan. Kasi wala siyang ka-like terms. So, dito ko siya ilalagay. Plus 18x cubed. Ano siya naging plus? Positive siya doon. Ayan. Once na magdudugtong na tayo dito, lalagyan mo siya ng operation. Okay? Yung kasunod niyan, lagyan mo ng operation. Alright? Next, we're done with this one. Saan ko to ilalagay? Saan ko siya itatapat? Sir, dito. Very good. So, negative 15x squared. Tapos ito, negative 25 dito. Ayan. So, walang katapat yung 7x kasi wala namang 7x doon sa ano. Tama? Or walang may x dito. Okay? Tapos, alright, napagtapat-tapat na natin. Ngayon tayo mag-KCC. Keep natin ito. Change natin ito. Change din natin lahat ng nasa loob. So, let's do that. 15x squared plus 7x plus 16. At ay magiging plus. Tama? At ay magiging positive din. 15x squared. Magiging positive din. Alright? Mali. So, dito dapat siya sa 16 katapat, plus 25. At ay magiging negative. Tama? Magiging siyang negative 18x cubed. Change mo yan into negative. Tapos, saka natin siya pagsamasamahin. Negative 15 plus 15, that is 0. Tama? Pwede mong i-cancel na yan. Bring down mo na lang yung 7x. 16 plus 25, that is 41. Bring down mo lang din ito. Alright? Tapos, arrange natin. So, negative x cubed plus 7x plus 41. And that is now the final answer. Ayan. So, same lang. Alright. So, congratulations kung nakuha mo yan. Okay. Last one. Ito, yung letter C. Nako. Etong word na from na to, marami nang nabiktima. Alright. Kapag kasi may word na from, babalitarin natin yan. So, hindi ito pwedeng ito minus ito. Ang mangyayari dito, since may word na from, ito kasi sa Tagalog ay mula. Diba? I-minus to mula dito. Ibig sabihin, ito yung nasa itaas, ito yung nasa ibaba. Okay? Mula. So, ganito yan. Alright. Sige, para mas maintindihan ninyo. Kunwari, sabi ng nanay ninyo, magbawas ka ng 5 pesos sa baon mo na 20 pesos. Okay? Magbawas ka ng 5 pesos mula sa 20 pesos mo. So, are you going to minus or to subtract it like this? 5 minus 20? Or, ima-minus ko yung 5 dito sa 20. Yung pangalawa, tama? Ima-minus ko yung 5 dito sa 20. Mag-minus ka ng 5 piso mula sa 20 pesos mo. That's 20 minus 5. Pag may word na mula or from, magbabaliktad siya. Okay? Ganito siya. So, I'll do this vertically. So, if you did horizontally, so, let's see kung tatama rin yung sagot ninyo. Okay? Y cubed minus 21y squared plus 10y minus 13. Tapos, ito. Minus. Kasi subtraction daw subtract. Saan ko to itatapat? Last year, wala po siya dito. Dito mo siya sa dulo. Make sure may operation siya. Eto, saan ko ilalagay? Yung negative 7y squared. Dito. 7y squared. Kasi like terms niya itong negative 21y squared. Saan ko itatapat yung y? Eto, yung negative y. Dito. Kasi ka-like terms sila. Alright? Yan. So, there you have it. Tapos, KCC tayo. So, keep natin yung y cubed minus 21y squared plus 10y minus 13. Tapos, i-change natin ito into addition. Magiging siyang plus. I-change natin lahat ito. Magiging siyang positive. This is positive 7y squared. Magiging itong positive. So, plus y. Magiging rin itong positive. So, di mo siya tatapat dito Sa dulo na siya. Mamaya mo na siya i-arrange. Don't worry. Okay? Bring down. Y raised to 4. Negative 21 plus 7y, that is negative 14y squared. Following addition of integers. Y, 10 plus 1, 1 ito, diba? The answer is 11y. Positive kasi positive yung naging result, kaya plus. Negative 13 plus y raised to 4. Sorry, this is y cubed. Sorry. Alright? Tapos i-arrange natin siya. Ayan. So, mula sa pinakamataas na exponent. So, ito muna, y raised to 4. Followed by this one, y cubed. So, positive kaya siya plus y cubed. Followed by this one, negative 14y squared. Kasi siya yung naka-squared. Ayan, naka-squared. Followed by this one, that's plus 11y. Then lastly, ito, negative 13. And this is now the final answer. So, ganun lang. That's how you subtract. Okay. So, ganun po ang pag-subtract ng polynomials. Ayan. So, we have this final answer. Thank you so much for watching. If you've learned a lot today, and then you want to see in our next video. And please comment your scores below. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you've learned and enjoyed this video. And if you did, please wag mong kakalimutan na mag-subscribe and i-click ang notification bell, and please do share this to a lot of people as you can. Alright? And don't also forget that you deserve more, you can learn more, and you can be more. #YouMorePH. Bye-bye! See you in our next video.